Hi everyone, this is Leah. Here is the oversized camping chair. Today I will introduce you how to use this. Here this kind of rest has a cup holder. You can put your cup on here, and here we also have a double cup holder. You can put your other belongings like your cell phone or any other things. And beside the chair, here is a side bag. You can put your any other larger belongings here. And but on the back of the chair, you can put this chair's carry bag or your clothes on here. Yeah. And here is a barcode. You can adjust the length of this strap to adjust the height of the armrest. Okay, so if you want to get more information about this chair, contact us. Bye.